Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my good people, whichever time you are watching this video. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. You can subscribe, comment, and like. So, for today, mm, I'm on my way. I'm, I'm on the nature walk. So, for today, I'm gonna show you the way, the place that I'm gonna take my nature walk. So this is the way to go now. So let's go and see. Yeah. Mambo. So mm, so today I'm gonna take you to the place. There's a village called 𝑅𝑜𝑘𝑒𝑟𝑒. So today I'm gonna take you there. So we see how 𝑅𝑜kere it looks like. So this is the way to go now to 𝑅Okere. This is the shortcut now to 𝑅Okere village. So let's go and see how it looks like, guys. I've never been there before, so it is my first time to be there. So let's go and see. And this is the way to go. Mambo. Nyaje? Kopa? Nyaje, mbona mnapigana tena? Oh, mkataze, mwambie aache. So guys, this is the way to go now. It will be a big surprise to me to see that village, how it looks like. So we have already catch up the road to 𝑅Okere. Now this is the road you can see. Yeah. Guys, this is the path to 𝑤𝑎𝑙𝑘, the Muram road to 𝑤𝑎𝑙𝑘. So you can see this is the way to go now. This is 𝑅𝑜𝑘𝑒𝑟𝑒 village. We've already arrived there. So this is how it looks like, guys. Yeah, you can see. Yeah. So let's go this and see. Now this is 𝑤𝑎𝑙𝑘 village. You can see, guys. Oh, it looks good. Yeah. Wow, it's cool. Yeah. This is the village now that I told you that I'm gonna show you. Yeah. It looks cool. The environment, it's clean. Like someone can live here. Like someone, yeah, can live here in a peaceful way. Yeah. So my guys, this is 𝑤𝑎𝑙𝑘 now. It looks good, wonderful. You can see this, the village now. You can see there is 𝑅𝑜𝑘𝑒𝑟𝑒 primary. Yeah. There is 𝑅𝑜𝑘𝑒𝑟𝑒 primary. Guys, can see this 𝑟𝑒 now that I told you before. Can see here we have the team. They are from the field now. Guys. Fit.
We are going.
I'm going. Yeah. So guys, those are the 𝑟𝑒 team. Yeah. They usually represent 𝑟𝑒 at the matches. Yeah. You can see, so this is the village now. And this is Sibania Technical Training College. You can see this is the guys. Yep. It's long. This is now the 𝑟𝑒 village that I told you guys. Yeah, this is my guys. You can see people are working there, and this is the field that they usually used to play. Yeah, you can see this is the field now. You can see even the team they are playing there. Yeah. So guys, this is the village now that I showed you. You can see now. This village, it is so cool. It is so cool. Yeah. I've never seen a very peaceful village like this one before in my life. This is my first time. So guys, I'm back home now. Marhaba, mkoaje? Mko poa? Pipi. Maybe kesho. Si unanijua? Nitanunulia wote. Ni wewe kumbe. Wow. Nitanunulia. So guys, those are children's. They are my best friend. I usually talk to them. So I'm home now. You can see I'm from my network now. Back now home. Tired. Yep. Kani bado hajakuja. Je! Shikamoo. So now guys, I'm home.